This is our new heating furnace, specially used for forklift baffles. It is tailor-made for heat treatment of forklift guard plates and baffles. Adopting induction heating technology, it heats fast with uniform temperature. It effectively improves the hardness and structural stability of workpieces. Energy-saving and efficient. Simple to operate. Supporting mass production. It is the preferred equipment for heat treatment of forklift parts. Welcome friends at home and abroad to inquire and visit our factory.